Alright.
This one I think was added probably in the 70s or 80s.
Yeah, I think so. And this one's bigger.
Innovation on the inside.
Yeah, this one doesn't go all the way up to the top.
Has a bumper still. Hydro.
Actually, is it? Almost feels like, I don't know, almost feels like traction. The certificate says traction.
Oh, I guess it is. That's weird. Could have sworn though I heard a hydraulic pump. That's the bumper. Pull station on the other one is newer and it's CJ Anderson, but it looks more modern. It doesn't look too historic.
Yeah. I mean, CJ Anderson kind of looks more like, it has more of a vintage feel in my opinion.
The mod on the other elevator is incredibly tasteful.
Yeah.
Here we are on one. Older Universal. It just slides in.
All done, guys?
Yeah, we're done. All
Thank you
right.
so much, sir.
Goes.
Well, you got the elevator name there, Otis.
I'm sorry, what?
Otis, this elevator.
Oh, that's an Otis actually?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Otis elevator.
Both of the elevators are Otis.
All right, and that'll be it.
I'm